Everyone, it's Rachel here with Swine. I'm here with Scott Johnson from Kane Manufacturing, and we're going to talk about heat mats and feeders.
Yes. Good morning, Rachel.
Good morning. Where is Kane Manufacturing located, and where do you guys make your products?
We are located, our warehouse is located in Centerville, Iowa, southeast Iowa. That's where we ship out all of our products, and that is where the assembly is made. The majority of our products are made here in Iowa, and then the rest of them are out of Minnesota. So we're very proud to say that our products are made in the USA.
When did this company start, and what made them make their home here in the central U.S.?
Our company started in 1969. Mike Kane founded it and just started here in the Des Moines area, and then since we've grown and changed ownership, we've moved down to Centerville, Iowa. But I mean, this is pig country. This is where we belong.
That's right. Scott, what are some key features in the heat mats that you offer pork producers, and how does Kane Manufacturing stand out in the industry?
One of the things that we do is with the heat mat, it puts the heat right underneath the pig, right underneath the belly, so it helps with their digestion, and it also stops them from lumping up, bunching up in there, so they get to be spread out. The other thing is our heat mats are very efficient. We did a study through Iowa State a couple years ago, and it showed that our heat mats save anywhere from 60 to 75% of energy savings over heat lamps.
How do the heat mats contribute to the piglets in their critical growing stages?
What it does is it helps them not be spread out, and they can stay right by their mama instead of in the back. And it helps with digestion because they are sitting, the heat comes up in through their bellies and instead of on top.
So in sow barns, heat mats probably go through a lot of intense environments, and the longevity, the durability, how have you guys factored that into your Kane mats?
What we're seeing, they last anywhere from, we're thinking right in that 6 to 8 year range that they last. I mean, they're water resistant, so they can get power washed every 30 days like they normally do, and as long as you don't use the cord as a handle, they will last a long time.
So you mentioned the energy savings. What are some of the energy savings that you have seen or heard from producers?
Usually when people buy our heat mats, and we had a formula figured out at one time, but buying our heat mats over heat lamps, we've determined that the heat mat will pay for itself in energy savings in a course of anywhere from about 15 to 18 months.
So you mentioned Iowa State helped you compile some data on the Kane Manufacturing heat mats. What are some of those numbers, and let's just go through that one more time.
Yeah, what they did, we had a gal doing on her graduation project to get her master's. She tested our heat mat side by side in a fairway room with heat lamps, and it was determined that the heat mat saved, it was 75%, where it was calculated to be $5 a turn on a sow. So, this day and age, if you can save $5 on a litter, that's pretty good.
So besides the heating solutions that Kane Manufacturing offers pork producers, you offer trough feeders to pork producers.
Yeah, we just a couple years ago we rolled out a trough feeder that we have a 36-inch one and a 48-inch one, and they're used for gruel feeding is what we're seeing, and people really like them. They're durable, they're concaved in the middle so the pigs won't stand on them. They have several uses, and they are also used in other species. We know people that use them for goats and for ducks and chickens too.
So you've been working in the pork industry for years now. What kind of feedback are you hearing from swine farmers, pig farmers out there about your products?
One of the things that we hear a lot of is how durable our products are. I mean, we have a full line of sorting equipment, sorting panels, rattle paddles, rattle cups, and we're very confident that they're very durable, and just as are the feeders and the heat mats. So that's something we're really proud of, and that it has the Made in the USA stamp on it.
And if people are wanting to find out more about your products, Scott, how can they get a hold of you and Kane Manufacturing?
They can go through our website at www.kanemfg or contact us at 800-247-0038.
Thank you for hanging out with us here at Iowa Pork Congress. Hope you have a great week.
All right, thanks, Rachel.